Hi, this is Brett with Leisure Time Inc. Today we are going to be replacing a spa pillow, 78160. This spa pillow fits all of Hot Springs spas under the Limelight series. And so the first thing, just going to take this pillow off its packaging. And all your pillows should be coming in this type of packaging, taped up for protection. Just get her out of here. And then, yeah, it should come in this from Watkins Wellness, so it's a direct brand replacement. And then before we get into this pillow here, you see that this pillow is currently, if we take this off just by loosening it, we see it's connected by a retainer kit. So two parts. That's actually this part right here, 74569, and this is needed to connect this pillow. So if you don't have this part, just visit our online store, and it's under 74569, and we'll be able to get that to you. And then second thing, before you put another pillow on, you want to make sure this is all clean and free of all this dirt. You're going to be putting this in your hot tub, so there might be water and debris connected. So you just want to make sure it's all clean as much as you can get it. These two little parts right here are a little dirty. So if you need a replacement, that was that one number. And so after that's clean, after we wipe it down, we're just going to put this new pillow on. And very simple, you're going to connect it with these two little hooks right here, indents. And so you just put one on real quick. And then since this is a new pillow, it's going to be a little stiff. You're just going to want to stretch it until you hear it click. And then so this one it's nice in there, nice and tight. And so it's not going to come off. And there you go. That's your new pillow. Thanks for checking out this video. Once again, that is the 78160 spa pillow for the Hot Springs spa models under the Limelight series. Thank you so much.